In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ignition coil boot and seal on your Kia Sorento located on your ignition coils. With the hood open, go ahead and pull straight up on this cover. You're just dislodging the rubber grommets from the post right here. Go ahead and set that aside. Here on the top here, you have 4 ignition coils and 4 spark plugs. Now our coils are shown right here. We have to go ahead and separate the harnesses from these here. Now right on the top is a gray lock tab. You're going to pinch and pull this back. It's going to allow you to press down and remove this. There's a 10mm bolt holding the ignition coil. Break that free. Loosen that bolt. Go ahead and remove that, but hold on to it. You'll be reusing that later. You want to go ahead and grab the ignition coil, and we're going to gently twist it and pull it up and out like so. Go ahead and take your coil and grab the boot and the coil, and you're just going to gently twist and tug that off. Now there's a coil spring inside. In most cases, that will just fall out. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and grab a pair of pliers or a pick. Go ahead and pop that out. Go ahead and take the newly supplied coil spring here. I'm going to insert that into the center. Take the new boot, line that up. Work that on. And we have the outer valve cover seal here. In most cases, you can just use a screwdriver or your pliers and go ahead and peel that off. You do want to pay attention to what side comes off. This side here has a more flat pattern on it. You can match it up to the new one. Take that boot, slide that up and on. Now before installing this into the vehicle, we do like to take a little dab of dielectric grease and put it on the inside of the boot, just a tiny bit. Then go ahead and take this and slide this back onto your spark plug. You want to repeat this for the other 3 coils. Take your coil, lower it down in a position, and just wiggle that down. Grab that 10mm bolt, line that up and get that started. In most cases, you can go ahead and run that all the way down by hand. Then we'll go ahead and snug that down gently. Once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. You just want to make sure it's snug. Go ahead and grab that connector, line that up, push it on. You're going to hear and feel it connect, and don't forget to push the lock back on. Line up the cover with the studs and the rubber grommets, and then push down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.